this example, we're finding a tangent line with a given derivative and a point. And the given derivative here is 2x squared over the square root of y. And the point given is 4, 4. Alright, so to find a tangent line, we need a point and a slope. And we can find our slope by using the derivative that's given already. So you just plug in your point into the slope. So you plug in 4 for x and then 4 for y. And then you just solve it out. So 16. The 2 cancel out. So your slope would be 16. And then, since your point's already given, you can just plug it into the equation. M being the slope, so y1 is 4 equals 16 is the slope, x minus x1, which is 4. Then you could just simplify that. Get 16x minus 64. You can carry the y over. And then that is the equation for the tangent line for that derivative and that one.
For this example, we will be finding a tangent line given a function and an x value. So our given function is 4x squared minus 3x minus 5. Our given x value is x equals 2. When calculating a tangent line, we need a point and a slope. So we have the x value of the point, but we need to calculate the y value. To calculate the y value, we're going to plug the 2 into the given function. So f of 2 equals 4 and then 2 squared minus, so f of 2 equals 2 squared is 4, 4 times 4 is 16, 16 minus 6 minus 5, so f of 2 equals 5. So now we've calculated our y value. So our point is 2, 5. Now since we've calculated our point, we're going to have to calculate the slope. To calculate the slope, we're going to have to take the derivative of the function. So the derivative of 4x squared, bring down the 2, is 8x. Derivative of 3x is just 3. And the derivative of a constant is 0. So now we know f prime of x equals 8x minus 3. We're going to calculate the slope at 2 by plugging 2 in for x. You get f prime of 2 equals 8 times 2 minus 3. Now we know that 8 times 2 is 16 minus 3 equals 13. So 13 is our slope at x equals 2. Now when writing our tangent line equation, we get it's y minus y1 equals the slope of x minus x1. We get y minus 5 equals the slope 13 x minus 2. Now if we multiply that out, we get y minus 5 equals 13x minus 26. Y equals 13x minus 21. And this is your final answer.